This video will show you how you can take HIK IP cameras or any HIK OEM IP camera and plug and play into our new Alibi Vigilant NDAA NVR line. We understand that Hikvision is being banned in the US market, and you may have legacy Hikvision products that you want to still use. This simple two-step process is quick, easy, and explained in the following video. If you have any questions about this process, please contact one of our Alibi Security account representatives for more information. Here's a quick video on how to add an Alibi Witness IP camera to an Alibi Vigilant NVR. If you have a brand new Alibi Witness IP camera, it will plug and play with a Vigilant NVR. So all you have to do is unbox the camera and connect it to an available PoE port on the Vigilant NVR. After about 30 seconds, the camera will pop up on the live view and display an online status in the camera management window. Overall, when adding an Alibi Witness IP camera to a Vigilant NVR, the camera needs to be brand new or reset to default settings in order to initiate the plug and play sequence. You can also add Alibi Witness cameras to a Vigilant NVR using the manual method. With this method, you will need a PoE switch that is connected to your internet provider's router. Connect your Alibi Witness IP cameras to the PoE switch. You also want to make sure that the LAN port on the Vigilant NVR is also connected to the PoE switch or directly to the internet provider's router. Once the Alibi Witness camera and router are connected to the PoE switch, use a computer on the same network and open the Alibi Discovery tool. When the tool is open, you will notice that the Witness camera is listed as an online device. Our goal here is to make sure that the camera is on the same network as the Vigilant NVR. The internet provider's router will automatically address these devices when we set them to Dhcp. In order to get this camera over to Dhcp, we want to go ahead and first activate the camera. We'll select the camera with a check mark. We'll go ahead and activate the camera with a password. Once the camera has been activated, we want to go ahead and select the Enable Dhcp option. We're going to go ahead and put the password in here. We'll hit the modify. You'll notice right away that the modification was completed and the IP address of the camera did change to 192.168.1.182. That is the current network that we're on right now, the same network that the Alibi Vigilant NVR is on. At this point, we can go to the Alibi Vigilant NVR, hit the menu button on the bottom left, go to menu, go ahead and put our password in here or pattern. It's going to take us directly to the camera menu. As you notice, it did discover the Alibi Witness camera. So what we want to do here is under the channel that we want the camera to go to, we want to hit the cam config option. You will notice that it does list the camera as an available device here, so we'll select that. If you notice below, it does pre-populate the information for the camera. The only thing we need to do is remove this password and type in the current password. Once we're done with that, we want to hit OK. We want to give the device a few seconds to communicate. Then we'll hit the refresh option. Once the camera is connected, you will notice that the status turns to a blue play button. If you hit the play button here, we'll give you a preview of the image. If we go to the main screen, you can see that the camera is connected and displaying an image on the NVR. This concludes adding Witness IP cameras to Vigilant NVRs using the plug and play method, and also adding Witness IP cameras manually through the network using a PoE switch. Also, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for future video updates.